हाय स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप लोग? अच्छे होंगे। आज हम ये डिस्कस करने वाला है सेकेंड चैप्टर, यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट्स। मेजरमेंट्स इसमें 2.1 इंट्रोडक्शन देखेंगे आज। इस इंट्रोडक्शन, ठीक है। In this, first thing is unit is defined. Unit is a certain basic arbitrarily chosen internationally accepted reference standard. So in units and measurements, the first topic is 2.1 introduction. In this we are going to discuss about unit and fundamental units, derived units, then fundamental quantities, fundamental units, derived quantities and derived units. Okay. So first thing is unit. Unit is a certain basic arbitrarily chosen internationally accepted reference standard. So the basic इसी से कंपेयर करके हम लोगों को 1 मीटर है, अगर 1 मीटर स्केल है तो दो गुना है तो 2 मीटर हो जाएगा, ठीक है। सो फिजिकल क्वांटिटी, एनी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी कैन बी मेजर्ड, physical quantity is represented with some numerical value and a unit. Okay, numerical value and unit. So even if we change the units, so the value will not change, the quantity, physical quantity will not change. So you can say nu is constant. So directly you can say n is inversely proportional to 1 by u. Okay, or else if x is a quantity, in different units if you are writing n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2. Okay, you can convert the units from this one unit to the other unit with this equation. So this equation is important, we will see later. Okay, so physical quantities can be defined in two ways. One is fundamental quantities. These quantities are independent of other quantities. Fundamental quantities are the quantities which are independent. Fundamental quantities are those quantities which are independent of other quantities. Okay, fundamental quantities means they should be independent of the other quantities. Okay, then the units for fundamental quantities, are fundamental units. Okay, so derived physical quantities are dependent on other physical quantities. Okay. So units for derived quantities are derived units. units. Okay. And system of units consists of fundamental or basic also. They will be called as basic quantities. Fundamental and derived. System of units consists of, so system of units consists of fundamental units and derived units. Okay. System of units means fundamental units and derived units both combinedly known as system of units. Okay. So this is about introduction. In the introduction NCERT textbook, these are the things given. They discussed about unit and fundamental units and derived units and system of units. Okay. 2.2 is international system of units. International system of units. Okay. So international system of units also known as SI system, international SI units also. This is the from French name system international D units. It came. Okay. Anyhow, so in this topic we can discuss. Previously, three systems are there for mass CGS system. In this, centimeter, gram, and second are units for length, mass, and time. Okay. So for length, unit is centimeter, and for mass, gram is the unit, and for time, second is the unit. Then MKS system is also another system which was followed by scientists previously. Meter, kilogram, and second. So length unit is meter, mass unit is kilogram, and time unit is second. Okay. Then FPS, foot, pound, and second are the units for length, mass, and time. Okay. So anyhow, MKS system is and CGS system are decimal systems. Okay. So they will be mostly used, and from MKS they formed international system of units. So in this only length, mass, and time are there, but in international system of units there are 7 units. So there are 7 fundamental quantities are there. 7 fundamental quantities are there. Fundamental quantities are there. They are length, mass, time, current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. These are the 7 fundamental quantities. They are accepted as international standards, as a international standard system of units. These 7 basic physical quantities they are accepted. And for length, it is meter is the unit, mass kilogram, time second, current ampere is the unit, temperature Kelvin, CD candela, and amount of substance is mole. Okay. For scientists, you have to write the capital letter for the symbols, and for the other values, it should be small letter only. Okay. These are the symbols. Apart from these 7 fundamental quantities, 2 more quantities are there, supplementary quantities. Supplementary quantities. One is plane angle. Plane angle you know already. In any circle scale, if this is r, if this is theta, if this is ds, so ds is equal to r theta. So plane angle theta is equal to ds by r, arc length by r. Okay. Then what is the unit for this plane angle is radian. Radian is the unit for plane angle. It is defined as when the arc length ds is equal to r, ds is equal to radius r, then this is equal to radian. 1 radian is equal to, if the ds arc length is equal to radius of the circle, then it is known as 1 radian. Similarly, solid angle for a sphere it is defined. Okay. This is defined as dA by r square. This is represented by theta, and this is represented by omega, solid angle. Okay. So this is known as unit steradian. When this area is having the square of side r square, then this is 1 steradian. Okay. So this is for sphere. The angle is subtended at the center. The area is from the square. Okay, square of the size radius r. Then it is equal to 1 steradian. Okay. This is International System of Units. Okay. With this topic 1 I covered actually. I covered totally topic 1. I am taking as topic 1 as units. So I can solve the problems also. So with this, units topic is finished. Okay. So I will be giving the NCERT notes, concept notes also. You can write the class notes also. You can go through the NCERT textbook or NCERT concept notes. From the NCERT textbook only I am extracting. So you can go through that also. Then listen to this lecture. After this, one more video lecture will be there with the problems, previous year questions, framing some new questions and solving some old questions. All type of models I will be covering in that video lecture. Okay, thank you. Subscribe कीजिएगा, like कीजिएगा, comment कीजिएगा. कोई query है तो comment में पूछ सकते हैं आप. So bye, see you in the next video, next lecture, next video. Okay, bye.